we really appreciate the effort that you're putting for us tonight. We have got this call. We have never dreamed we were going to get a hold. But thank you very, very much for offering this service to us. In due time, we'll have several events which you might be invited if you are willing to come. And also, as you see today, there's only a very small amount of people for Lupe Fofoa. A lot of people called us and said they couldn't make it tonight. It was probably too cold. So thank you very much for coming. Yeah,
Lupe Fofoa Vaoese, fine from the island and the island and the senior to names. We.
Language and culture is very important, and very, very important.
Yep.
Samoan island full of Papua. Siaka ma siaka naima hana. ma le mamanu o le laua le Lupe Fofoa ese. O la o kou tua ia Samoa la sila le kua. A leo o kou kule ni pale mako mofi. O lea o kou whamungiama kako ngu i manreu nge le sa wako le kulema. Mungia le kako whamungoa ni po.
Lupe Vaoese, alele fui fantastic le aso. I manuia te aoa, pea fo'i le sumai o Samoan poto mai lele po to Councillor Daniel Newman and also Chair of Local Board, Matt Puniata and Vaafetai from the Wiri Licensing Trust. Thank you for your contribution to our Pacific community and also to the venue that you've provided for us. And this is huge for our culture, our Samoan culture. So on behalf of everyone and also us students, we want to thank you for saying that.
Just want to say, Daniel, to you and your crew, how important the Samoan language and culture. 3 years ago, I couldn't speak it properly, but through this school, I'm able to communicate with a flow and with meaning. Did you know that there's 10,280 prisoners in New Zealand, and only 12% of that, which is 1,280, are Pacific Islanders? It's through this, it's through the customs, through our culture and our language that we're able to maintain our people. And through our people, we're able to maintain the God. So, when we're able to alma,
it is my pleasure to be here. And alongside Daniel's words of cultures, customs and languages, it's important to me that our actions follow our words, and when we spoke, it was clear to me we needed to resolve the issue of this organisation having a home, and our integrity stands with our actions. Thank you, Brian. Thank you.
Faafetai whāroaro, ia, o la tau pule lea, whamoni le ranga mire awa sunga le li pule, ia. Tai.
Amarele tua. Tamo mo ko na lo na le. Ole ti fia ngani. E faksa na ko wari nei mo kamro fa. Yelo. Ole ka wa yo le mea ole ka yo le tua ka. Foi ele o coelho fofoa o coelho matou o meu community mangele o tawa papatoe anu o mais
O au ma mea so kupe a ngā community ka warau mai mo o waku ye. Ai Faafetai. O le u whaingo liu ko i fo afu I niu le So thank you, Daniel and Brian. What I just said to our community and our school here, there's so many communities that I've been involved for the past 20 years. I've been here in New Zealand, and they've asked for my help doing promotion, doing campaign, all this and all that. But I thank God that finally I've got a place that's right opposite to my house. So I feel at home. I'm coming. So thank you very much. And the significance of all these fixings, and before we drink this cup in Samoan, in Christianity, it's a prayer meeting. It's equivalent to a prayer meeting nowadays. Is where each and every one of us will say blessings and pray for the future of something. So today I thank you very much. Obviously we give praise to the Lord, but we thank you for allowing and trusting us to host and have our Lupe Fofoa. And I believe we're going to grow and have what happens to be.
Ya, kabalulu katolabua, kapabainga, palupulunga, ya olela au kembe ai sai bafo, kau kaku kaape, rabok kaku kau ne lai wala plan. Bakku kau makiban kau papala. Fasa bala na kau kelo bala bagu.
Ia rawa parere tua. Alfa ia pere tua la monei ia mia fofoa ni tarsana. Alia.
Ja, weet je wat je pakt?